Hi, I'm Menno from Amazing Jerusalem Tours. Today I walked in Tel Aviv, in the old neighborhoods of Tel Aviv with Jared. Jared, how did you like the walk, the tour with me?
So I'm Jared. I produced the Amazing Race. So Amazing Race here with Amazing Jerusalem. I've been all over the world and I have never experienced a tour like the one I experienced tonight. The thing that I love most when I'm traveling is to try to get a sense of what it's like to live in the place, to talk to people who live here, to see the places that they live. There's a million tours where you can go see the big sites, the big museums, the big historical monuments. But I don't know of any other tours in Israel, and I've seen really no tours in all the countries I've been to in my life, more than 60 countries, where you can walk around with someone who lives here. You can see the places that he goes with his friends. You can see the life of the place. You can see the energy of the place. You can see what it's really like to live here, and it makes you want to come live here. It's Tel Aviv. It's the best place in the world.
Thank you, Jared. And if you're planning to visit Tel Aviv, find this tour on AmazingJerusalem.com and hope to meet you.
Come.
Bye.